Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Android phone to a Cibest projector. This is a Samsung phone, and back here I have this Cibest projector with an HDMI port, so I can just use a cable to connect my cell phone, okay? Super simple. Let me just come back here. You see that I have my phone and this cable with HDMI and USB-C. That's the cable that you need. I'll leave the link here in the description. And you just need to connect it here. Some cables don't work, so just make sure you check the description for this cable here, and then you can connect to the HDMI port. Let me just come here to the projector, put this phone here, and connect the cable. And you see back there on the screen that you need to select the correct input here with HDMI. Okay, just come here and select this one. There we go. I'm gonna get the remote control for this. Come here to HDMI, and then I can select this one. Just wait for it to load, and there we go. It's working, okay? So super simple. Now I have my phone working here. I can change screens. You see that's working pretty fine. There we go. It's a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. It works pretty fine, and if it's not working for some reason, you can just come here to the settings and also check this connections. In here, more connection settings, and check for HDMI. There we go, HDMI mode. You see here that I have a screen mirroring. You can also use Samsung DeX depending on the model that you have. For new Samsung phones, you don't have the Samsung DeX options, but for this one, which is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, you have this option available, right? So working here with the projector, pretty good. You can see back there on the screen, and it works pretty fine, right? So that's the way you can connect your Samsung phone to a Cibest projector. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.